Sup, sup.
Sup guys, so we are now heading to the south to just, you know, roam around
Lumilikot na naman yung pet ko.
because we're bored.
Sabi ni Ate Epit kay Pastor daw yan nung nagpapa-exam.
We're just bored in our church, so we are now we're just roaming around here in Santa Teresita Village. This is my squad.
Ano ba squad?
Squad goals.
Squaddy.
Popost ko yan.
Yes.
Kakahide naman.
We're just bored in the church after we finish the task that has been given to us.
Mga ganun ka.
So, we're just hungry, so we're now going to the south.
We're heading to the south.
Heading to the south.
From the north.
From the north to the east to the south. Now we're about to eat
Yeah,
the
we're
street
just
food.
gonna eat.
Naglag na siya, te. Tama na yan.